Hey, what's up, team? It's Sherman here from Geek Psychology, and I'm introducing the INFP I Now Feel Positive Challenge. It's a 30-day challenge to help you get more motivated, to get rid of that negativity, to work towards your strengths and kind of shore up some of those weaknesses and actually have them work for you. So you get all aligned going in the same direction. It's a 30-day challenge to stay positive. And I'm going to be sharing with you throughout this challenge, every 3 days, I'm going to be sharing with you some really key mindsets that have helped me along my journey. And I know they'll help you as well as a journaling exercise that I've been doing, and it's been really grounding all those experiences. See, I've learned these lessons throughout my life, and they were just all separate lessons, right? But this journaling process actually funnels them down into something that is more accessible, is something that you can rediscover and remember every day, as well as really grounding in those key aspects of an INFP, right? Your empath character within you, your feelings, your values, your beliefs, that conviction, your extroverted intuition, the explorer, the innovative character within you, right? That's all about exploring different ideas, connecting different possibilities, brainstorming, creativity, and energy. And introverted sensing, the guardian, the one that's keeping you tapped into your past, connected to your past. The problem is, us INFPs, we often get latched onto that past, those negative experiences. We hold on to them really hard because it's a soft spot for us. It's our child, it's our newbie, it's our sidekick, right? That just tells us everything that we want to hear. That's our past. And although we might think we don't want to hear it, a lot of us do. The parts of us do want to hear that because it keeps us comfortable. It's a relief state. It keeps us peaceful. We don't need to challenge ourselves. We don't need to push out of our comfort zone, our boundaries, right? Well, this journaling exercise and the mindsets that I'm going to share with you actually help you reframe that and take those past experiences, make them more positive, find another way of looking at them, a different light shined on them. And every day through the journaling exercise, continue to refresh that and remember the good things about your life, because that is so key, so important for creating a positive mindset. And last, we go down to extroverted thinking. We go into this commander that doesn't feel like the commander of our team. I know that. But this is all about making a quick, efficient, effective strategy to get towards our goals and to measure that progress and see, are we making progress towards our goals? No. Well, we need to break it down more. We need to focus on the different steps, A, B, C. We need to go into the contingency plans, get everything aligned, manage all the variables and resources so that we can actually reach our goals, right? Because we spend a lot of time in that empath side, introverted feeling of, how does this feel for us? How would it feel for us? And we imagine it, we escape into our dreams, we play with all the different possibilities, but we don't actually ground it and take the steps needed. And so this process and these mindsets are going to help you get into that more, help you accept that aspect of you and work with it so that you can reach those empath goals, those FI, introverted feeling goals. So I hope this video is entertaining and exciting for you. And you can go check out more at www.inowfeelpositive.com. INFP, I Now Feel Positive, because that's the goal here. You can sign up for the 30-day challenge. If you went through the polls and you sent me this information, because this is all coming from the 100+ results of other INFPs that have sent me information about the top strengths and struggles rather that they've been going through. So I took those and I put them into this amalgamation of badassery and awesomeness, okay? So if you've already given me your email address, I'll put it in the list, but you can also sign up again. That's fine too. All right, so please go there. When you sign up, you'll get a welcome email, and with that, a quick start video that breaks down the INFP type even more, goes on a deep dive, and tells you more about what you're going to get through this program and what you can expect. It's only going to be $5 right now, which is something that you can afford to change your life. And it's going to help me out. It's going to help everybody out. We're going to build this massive community together of INFPs and INFP friends working together, working towards building a more positive group of INFPs so that we can actually all, with our powers combined, reach the end goal, or one of the many end goals, I suppose, of living more positively and really bringing out the gifts that INFPs have. Because right now, if you look on the forums for other websites and things, you'll see a lot of people saying, oh, INFPs are all emos and they're too sensitive and too emotional. Well, that's a strength if it's used properly. If it's just like, woe is me and kind of left at that low energy state, then it's not going to really do too much for us, right? So it's a matter of taking in those aspects of us, putting them together and making sure that they're aligned and going in the same direction so that you can have that inner harmony, right? That inner balance and actually work towards whatever your goal is. But I know a lot of INFPs really want to change the world, or at least their world, their circle, right? Make a more positive impact on friends and family, their partners, get a partner, right? Be more positive themselves so that they can share that light with somebody else, because there are depths, there are deep, dark areas, as well as the positive, really high level, exciting, peaceful aspects of INFPs, right? So this series is going to bring all those together, and we're going to be working towards making a more positive world, starting with the INFPs. All right? See you there. Peace.